Alrighty, we're going to be shooting the Hardwired Tactical Super Snubby test. We're shooting the advanced version, and we're going to be doing it with the Smith & Wesson 442 here. I have it loaded up with American Eagle 130 grain, which is an ammo that I found is fairly consistent to my carry ammo when it comes to the point of impact, point of aim. I will say I've shot this drill a bunch. I've got a playlist of it down below. The thing with it, with this gun, is that I've been shooting the LCR a lot, which I think has a better trigger. It doesn't have any stacking. With this one, you get a very distinct two-stage part to the trigger, right? So with that, I'm going to try to take my time here at the distances where I've got more time to use to make sure I've got good, accurate hits, right? So we're going to begin the drill by starting at 10 yards and beginning with the hand on the gun in the pocket because we're shooting the advanced drill from the pocket. We have 8 seconds here to dump 5 rounds, which is a glacial amount of time. So let's see how we do. Starting on beep. Our last trigger pull, again, I've been shooting the Rugers for so long now that I had some severe stacking there right at the end. That's why I shanked the round to the wrong side. Obviously, that's all on me. That's not the gun, but it's one of those idiosyncrasies with the gun that certainly affected it. Okay, gun is reloaded. We're going to put it back in the holster. We're shooting from the Galco pocket protector here today. So we are minus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So a 43 at 10 yards. And let me mark it here. And as normal, I'm going to come down from every string of fire here to verify our hits. So let's make sure the revolver, yep, got 5 live rounds in there. We'll put it back in the pocket. Alrighty, so we have 5 seconds here to shoot 5 rounds at 5 yards. 5, 5, 5. Bunch of 5s. Okay, starting on beep here. I had one that tumbled out of the cylinder before I could actually hit the ejector rod. After all the 22 shooting I've been doing where you absolutely have to use the ejector rod, that's kind of pleasant. Gun is hotted back up, back in the pocket. We shot that in 4:19. I didn't check the timer for the previous string of fire, but we were certainly under par time. Alrighty, so looking at our hits here, we have, looks like, let me count the total points here. So minus 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're down 9 points total, which means that we shot a 48 here. And again, I apologize for the wind. It's not much I can do about it here. With shooting with a GoPro mounted to my head, not much I can do. Alrighty, okay, last course of fire here, string of fire I should say. We're at 3 yards. We've got 5 rounds in the gun and then 3.5 seconds to dump those rounds. Okay, starting on beep here. Let me take a step back. Starting on beep here. Put those there. Reholster our gun. And we shot that in 2:77. So well under par time. And it looks like we added a hit. Let me count here actually. So we added 1 more to the 10 ring. And it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the 9 ring. So that'd be minus 5, so 45 points. So our total score here, we're down 9-14. So we shot a 136 here. Passing is technically a 90, but for us it's 135, as we're saying. That's 90% of maximum. So a 135 there with the 442. I haven't shot this gun in about a month and a half, maybe a little bit more than a month and a half. So I'm content with that, especially with the fact that I've been flubbing the trigger pull because of the, you know, after shooting the Ruger LCR, this trigger feels kind of weird to go back to. Thanks for watching.